Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video we're doing when was the last time challenge. So before we start, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So Kimberly, go ahead, girl.
Okay. When was the last time you talked to yourself?
Today.
Me too. I talk to myself all the time. It's totally normal. Now, if you answer back yourself, that's the problem.
Okay.
If you be like, Kim, when was the last time you ate? You know what, Kim? You ate like an hour ago. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. That's crazy.
When was the last time you talked to your ex?
Unfortunately, my ex is my baby father, so
It could be any ex, right?
I guess so, yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever he calls to speak to my daughter, I don't call him.
Well, I'm gonna say the ex I'm gonna say is my son's father. So the last time I spoke to him was yesterday. Yeah. Next chat.
When's the last time you kissed someone?
Like,
Could it be anyone? It could be my daughter. I kissed my daughter today.
last time I kissed someone around Christmas.
Okay.
Oh, that was my son, by the way. Look like you don't really like that.
Huh? You don't like that?
You were grown.
It's
you
the
kissed him on the cheek. He like
getting a little
he do that. He do that with
like
everybody.
that.
My mom, my sister, anybody kiss him, he like he wipe it off. He don't play that. But like now, most of the time I be making him kiss me. Like, just kiss me.
When was the last time you said I love you? I said it today.
2 days
to my
ago.
husband. And to
2
my
days ago
daughter.
to my son, I said I love you. I love you, Papa.
When was the last time you prayed?
The last time I prayed, okay, it's saying when you wake up in the morning and saying thank you God for another day. Just pray. I did it this morning.
I pray every night, and actually, when I was putting my daughter to sleep, I
Yes.
prayed with her. So that was a couple
Last
hours
night.
ago.
Yeah. Oh, this is after 12 now, so yeah. See. I heard her. Yeah. Okay. When was the last time you cried? The last time I cried was, what month we in? January?
Last time I cried was probably early 2019 because I had an ear infection and it was so painful. Anybody that ever had an ear infection knows the pain. It's not.
Oh, I never had that.
It's not a pleasant feeling.
I never had that. The last time I cried was probably 3 months ago. Yeah.
When was the last time you went to bed hungry?
I don't go to bed hungry.
I went to bed hungry the other night because I'm on a diet. I was starving.
I probably just went to bed hungry, not recently, probably a while back, but not recently.
I try not to eat too late, but then lateness comes and I just get hungry, and then I just hold off until the morning.
When the last time you talked on the phone for hours? Okay, so let me see. I don't remember. I think
It's been a long time. I don't talk on the phone that long anymore.
me and my best friend were on the phone for hours. We talk like crazy.
I don't talk
5 hours.
like the people that I don't
Well,
know.
not today. I don't think it's today.
I haven't been on the phone for hours in a while.
Like 5 hours.
That's a long time.
We be on the phone now. We talking on the phone for 5 hours.
I haven't been on the phone that long.
I would say it was sometime last week though.
I can't be. See, now at this age, I can't be on the phone that long. Like, I just get irritated.
Why?
Because I don't want to be on the phone. I want to lay down and watch TV. I don't feel like answering back.
Oh gosh.
When was the last time you went on a vacation?
2017. That was the last time I was in Jamaica. So yeah. I feel like that was no vacation.
For me, it was 2019. Wait, I said I had an ear infection early 2019 or 2020.
I think it's 2019.
I think it was 2020. I'll keep forgetting that it's 2021. It was early 2020.
Right, the year started.
So I'm thinking last year was 2019. Okay, so it was 2020. So the last time I went on vacation was 2019. It was for my honeymoon. Yeah.
Okay.
We were supposed to go away last year, but coronavirus. We were supposed to go away for our anniversary, and we never made it.
Hopefully, I can go this year.
Hopefully, we'll see.
When the last time you took a pregnancy test?
I took one like a couple months ago.
Yeah, a couple months ago last year.
When was the last time you shaved?
2 days ago.
Shaved what?
Shaved.
Shaved period?
Yeah, shaved.
Okay. Me, it was a couple weeks ago. It's winter time.
Okay.
I'm like sandy cheeks in the winter time.
Yeah.
When was the last time you flirted?
Flirted. Today.
Me, it was yesterday. I was flirting on the phone with my husband.
Well, yesterday, but today is different.
Oh yeah, so for me it was the day before.
Alright.
When was the last time a guy tried to talk to you?
Somebody hit me in my DMs on Instagram.
Cool.
I'm gonna show you right now.
Like a little boy.
Look at the video. This was December.
This looked like somebody's son stole their phone and
he sent a video of himself, and I did not reply.
That was like a child. No,
Right? His face look young.
that's somebody's son that stole a mother phone and writing grown women. No. Me, I was actually, it was the day before Christmas, and I was in the supermarket, and one of them butchers tried to talk to me. He said, "Mommy, do you need help?" I said, "No, I'm just looking for something."
Mommy,
He said,
do you need help? Spanish.
"Mommy, you look good." I was ignoring him. I was ignoring him.
Yo, you said it just like him.
I'm not trying to make fun of Spanish people. That's just how he sounds. He had an accent.
Yo. Oh, man. He was an older guy, right?
Probably his early 40s.
Oh. Because the way you said it, that's why I'm thinking he's an older guy. Oh, gosh. When was the last time you did something nice for someone? Last week.
Is it a bad thing that I gotta think about it?
No, it's not.
I don't know. I do nice things for people all the time.
You do that today, now. You do nothing for me right now.
Oh, yeah, yes. I'm helping Anna Kayla.
Yes. So. Yeah.
When was the last time you got drunk?
The last time I was over here with you. That's the last video, right? That was the last video we did?
Right. Drunk or drunk?
I think they say drunk. So, but I was drunk. They could tell.
I wasn't drunk.
Yeah, you wasn't because you was drunk.
No, the last time I was drunk was like I was with my sister and my cousins, in like November or October. I was pretty wasted.
I was pretty wasted. When was the last time you wanted to tap out during sex?
I can't remember. It's been a long time. What about you?
A month ago.
A month ago.
Yeah.
That was the last time somebody made you blush.
See.
There you go.
When was the last time you found a girl attractive? I mean, on Instagram, seeing celebrities on Instagram. I haven't seen like a female in public and say she's pretty or whatever. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but I think it was, who was I looking at today? Oh, I think I posted her. That girl.
Yeah.
That girl. I think her birthday's today too. This girl right here. What's her name again? Ryan Destiny. I posted her on my story today. I found her attractive. Oh, and this girl right here. This is a regular dark skin girl. But
when was the last time you reminisced?
give me an answer.
Cause I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I can't remember.
Last time I reminisced, girl. Not last night. The night before, when I was on the phone with him.
Reminisce.
I was thinking about it today, so I reminisced today. Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe a couple of days ago. I can't remember.
When was the last time you got your toes sucked?
It's been years.
A month ago. Ay.
I find that to be repulsive.
Explain.
It's nasty.
Explain.
You walk on your feet and then you put it in somebody's mouth. That's disgusting.
I didn't put it in nobody's mouth. They didn't want it.
It doesn't feel good to me. You ever?
Here's the thing, though. I'm not into that, right? But if that's what the person wants, I'm not into my toes being sucked. But they have a foot fetish, so I mean, he has a foot fetish.
Never understood foot fetishes.
I don't get it either, but I'm not the judge. That's what he wants. But yeah.
When was the last time you went to the movies?
2019. In the summertime was the date.
Mine was Valentine's Day 2020.
Oh.
I think that was the last time I went.
Nice. When was the last time you opened up to someone? Open up to someone. I mean,
Besides my
I think today. I talked to my friend today. Today. Not today, yesterday. Yeah.
I can't remember. Is that a bad thing?
He really. I thought I had bad memory.
That was the last time someone kept you up.
Kept me up like on the phone.
Anything kept you up on the phone.
Oh, yeah, the night before. Last night.
Tonight.
Fucking up.
I'd have been up anyway. I don't go to sleep until like 3. I'll be watching TV.
And tonight. When the last time you got into an argument? Argument. Oh.
Argument?
Oh. 2 days ago.
It's been a while for me. When was the last time you sniffed your panties?
Listen, it ain't no problem, okay? It shouldn't be a problem you sniffing your underwear. Like, you need to know how your down there is doing, okay? Like, so females, it's not a, it shouldn't be a
Don't
big
act
deal.
like you don't do it.
Right, it shouldn't be a big problem if you sniff your underwear. But I've done it the last time I do it. It haven't been recently. Probably like 3 months ago. I would say it wasn't
I think
recently.
for me it was a couple weeks ago. It could have been December, it could be November. I don't keep track of those things,
Right.
but I know I've done it.
Yeah, nothing wrong with doing it.
No, you're just trying to make sure.
Exactly. Somebody smelling fresh and good down there. So, all right, guys. So this is the end of our video. It's always fun to be the camera. So come back and watch us because we're a vibe.
Next time we're gonna have liquor. We try to mellow it down with the wine, but we're coming back liquor full effect. Yeah.
She's probably gonna be on liquor.
No, you're gonna be drinking too.
Girl,
You're gonna be drinking.
I'll be drinking wine.
I'll make sure I have them. I'm not having
You said you're gonna make sure you don't have no wine.
I'm drinking liquor.
Oh, this girl. Okay. Thank you guys for watching.